Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Get ready with me for going out. First, I'm gonna start my makeup with this smoky eyeshadow with the darkest one and my flat brush. Like a really small wings here. And with the silver one over here. And with my highlighter, first here, and a little bit here too. And also I want to do it with my finger for here. And mascara. And my favorite lip gloss. We were thinking about buying a new hair color, and I'm thinking about dark brown. But I'm not sure. My natural hair color is dark brown, and I'm really thinking about back to my natural hair color, but I'm still not sure. So I called my friend and said let's go out. I have no idea about that, so she's coming with me because I really need help. Alright, the makeup is done and I have to wear my clothes. Should I go back to dark brown? Please tell me your opinion. I really need that.